Since the release of the new super compressor from Christopher Ward, I've really wanted to get one in for a couple of videos, and in the box I have here today is not that watch. This is a Christopher Ward, not the super compressor. I was speaking with them the other day, and they do plan on sending us one. They're just waiting on some review or demo models to get shipped back. They suggested in the meantime, though, that we might want to take a look at the latest variant of the C60 Trident, and I saw the pictures. It was beautiful in photos. Really excited to finally see it here in the metal today, so let's check it out. Alright, got my weapon of choice here, the Spyderco for today. Oh, may not need it actually. May not need it after all. Okay. Move you out of the way. And let's see what we have here. Outer sleeve. Christopher Ward always does a nice job with their packaging. Top here is instructions. I believe there's a wipe cloth in here. We'll talk about that in the full video. You guys probably caught a glimpse of the watch already, but there it is. There we go. So there it is. This is the C60 Trident Bronze. I'll put the link directly to this watch if you're looking for it in the description below, along with the model number. We've got some plastic here that needs to go. It looks to be developing a little bit of patina already. I'm not sure if this has been out to other reviewers previously. It looks like it might have been. Very nice bezel action. I really like the blue against that bronze. It just works really good. And let's take a closer look at the dial. It's got quite the nice dial here. It's a bit more of a metallic look than what I was thinking it was going to be. I was thinking it would be a bit more of a matte, almost denim look, but that's not a bad thing. It looks really nice. Nice little details. We've got the Trident logo on the case back. Not bad at all. Really good looking watch. And there it is on my 7 1/4 inch wrist, and this thing looks really sharp. I love that they went with the bronze bezel insert versus trying to maybe match up a blue ceramic or something. The bronze insert looks excellent. This is a 40mm version. I know Christopher Ward sometimes makes different sizes for their watches, and I'm not sure if there's multiple options in the size department for this, but I will come back with that information. Pricing, specifications, all of that in an upcoming video. Love these straps. They had the same strap on the last C60 that I had in, and they're an excellent strap. So looking forward to spending some time with this one. Big thanks to Christopher Ward for getting this out. Big thanks to you guys for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.